Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a project lifecycle in Zoho Project, your 2025 edition guide. Project lifecycles give you a bird's eye view of your project's progress. So let's get started. First up, log into your Zoho Project account. This is your platform to create, track, and manage your project lifecycles. The reason we do this is to ensure you have a secure environment for your project management. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab on the left sidebar. This helps us because it's where you can see all your existing projects and where you'll create your new project lifecycle. Now that we've done that, click on the New Project button on the top right corner. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. You're initiating the creation of a new project in Zoho that will follow your specified lifecycle. After clicking, you'll see a form appear. Fill in your project details, such as project name, start and end date, and project owner. Remember, each field matters because they define the project's basic information, which is fundamental for setting up your project lifecycle. Next up, scroll down and select the Project Lifecycle drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Choose a lifecycle from the predefined templates or create a custom one that fits your project's unique requirements. Let me explain why this matters. Your project lifecycle is like a roadmap guiding each step of your project's progression. Finally, hit the Save button. This wraps up your project creation and sets the stage for your project's journey. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a project lifecycle in Zoho Project 2025 edition. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your project management. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.